Top Tropicals presents the Marvelous Cannonball Tree. Originating in tropical South America, this rare tree with bizarre fruit can be found only in tropical botanic gardens and a few larger private gardens. Astonishing in appearance, it is a very tall tree that sheds its large, elliptical-shaped leaves several times a year. Its beautiful pinkish-red flowers bloom year-round and grow directly from the base of the ground, which tend to be strongly scented, usually in the mornings and evenings. Following the flowers, large, globular fruit, reddish-brown in color, that resemble cannonballs, hence the name Cannonball Tree, will remain on the tree for several months. On average, a single cannonball tree can bear up to 150 fruits and 1,000 flowers at once. The cannonball tree also has cultural significance all over the world. In India, it is regarded as sacred by the Hindus, and in Asia, the flowers are considered a symbol of wealth. Practically every part of this plant is beneficial to living organisms. It has several medicinal uses, which include the pulp of the fruit, the bark of the tree, and even the leaves of the plant. A few other uses include the flower scent is often used in cosmetics and perfumes, the hard fruit shells can be used as utensils or containers, and the pulp is often used to feed pigs, turkeys, and chickens. It is recommended you don't eat the fruit before it is ripe, as it can cause a tingling and burning sensation of the lips and tongue. This plant is available for purchase at toptropicals.com. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video. Please subscribe to our channel to see more.